controller for several days. He was left alone for being naughty and was not even allowed out to push coaches and trucks in the yard. Oh dear, he thought, I shall have to stay in the shed for always, and no one will see my red coat again. All because I went so fast I made a hole in one of my coaches that had to be mended with, of all things, a passenger's bootlace. At last the Fat Controller arrived. I see you are sorry, James, he said. I hope now that you will be a better engine. You have given me a lot of trouble. People are laughing at my railway, and I don't like that at all. I'm very sorry, sir, said James. I will try hard to behave. That's a good engine, said the Fat Controller. I want you to pull some trucks for me. James was delighted and hopped away. Some bootlaces ready, and he ran off, laughing. Oh, said the truth. We want a proper engine, not a red monster. James took no notice and started as soon as the bar was ready. Come along, he said. We will steam the trucks.
I love the noises
All the
and
screeching trucks stirred
smells.
down the slope.
Look, Rupert's here!
At last they saw Solomon Hill. Look out for trouble, James. You are a little fast. Get them up before they know it. But let's just stop here. Come take fast pass. They go halfway up.
Faster down the track. See the wheels go round.
Right to it. Right to it. Easy peasy. Over the top. Over the top. And then steam train rolling. Steam train rolling. I've done it. I've done it. He tossed. Tail behind. Look. The last trucks were running backwards down the hill. The coupling had snapped. first station safely, and James was resting in the yard when Edward pulled up. Beep, beep, he whistled. Then James saw the Fat Controller. Oh dear, what will he say? He asked himself. But the Fat Controller was smiling. I was in Edward's train and I saw everything, he said. You made the most troublesome trucks on the line behave. After that, you deserve to keep your raincoat.
Goodbye to all our friends. It's sad that we must go. We've had a lovely time today. Had some funny laughs today. Made some special friends.